Welcome back to Google Guru. Google Guru is an informational video series where we'll teach you how to perform everything from basic to advanced tasks in the world of Google Apps. Today we're going to teach you how to create a Google presentation. So you can see right now I'm in my Gmail inbox. Before we can create a presentation, you'll need to go to your Documents homepage or your Docs list. You can do this by clicking on Documents in the top navigation. This navigation is actually persistent throughout all of Google Apps, so you can find it when you're in Calendar, Sites, Groups, anywhere. Click on Documents, and here's the Docs homepage. From here, it's easy to see the big red button on the left-hand side that says Create. You want to click that, and you'll see all the types of documents you can create. Today, we're going to do a Google presentation. So there's two things you need to make sure you remember to do when you create a new presentation. The first is to rename it, because otherwise it'll be called Untitled Presentation every time. So for example, we'll call this Intro to Google Guru. You can add any other content you want here, just like you can in PowerPoint, multiple slides, animations, everything you want. Second thing you need to remember to do on any doc, including a presentation, is to make sure your sharing settings are set appropriately. So you'll click on Share, and this will show you, currently it's set to private, so only I can see this document. You can change that to anyone in your domain, anyone in your domain with the link, anyone with the link, and also just public on the web. So I want this to be available to anyone in Google Guru, but I don't want anyone in Google Guru to be able to edit it. So anyone can now find this in their docs list, but I want a couple people to know explicitly that this has been shared with them. The Marketplace Maestro and Sir Docs-a-Lot, who you may remember if you watched our How to Create a Google Spreadsheet. So I'm going to add a little message that just tells them what this is. And you're done. That's it. You can go ahead and close out of the presentation, and so now you'll see it in your docs list. So here's a quick little organizational tip for you, and if you've seen our How to Create a Google Doc or How to Create a Google Spreadsheet videos, you already know this, but you can put any of these docs into a collection, which is kind of like a folder. But what you can actually do is put the document in multiple collections, so that's what we're gonna show you today. So you hit this checkbox next to the document, and then you'll click on More. Hit Organize, and now you can click, I don't have any sub-collections, but you can click on every collection that you want it to be included in. So we'll say Notes and Marketing Materials, just for example. So now you can see this presentation in both collections. That's why collections are different than folders. It's really more like a label in your Gmail inbox. That's it. We hope you've enjoyed Google Guru, and you can always find us at googleguru.com. Thanks, and we hope to see you again.